today's video, we're going to look at message boxes and input boxes and the different ways that you can use these. So here I've got a simple little bit of code written. The first one is just going to give us a plain old message box saying welcome. So if I run this, just says welcome, pretty simple. Sometimes I'll use these at the end of the code. It'll say, complete or complete. I've actually got one down here. So it'd say like, complete, and then the number of sheets that were worked. So say complete and the number of sheets that were worked. You can also add in here essentially carriage returns or line returns, whatever you want to call them, so that this will split up. So if I was to actually display this, see complete is on this line, then sheets is on the next line, just as to make that clear. All right, so let's go back up. So the next one is where you actually get a value from what the user has entered. So this is a message box. The same concept is up here, but I'm going to capture what the value is of the user. Now in this, I've got this as VBA yes, no, but you can see there's a lot of different things that you can choose from. There's yes, no, okay, cancel, yes, no, cancel. All of these, when you do them, they will have like all the yeses and the nos will be the same, but the values will be different. So if I hit run and it says, do you want to count the sheets? And I hit yes, yes is 6. If I go back up and I hit yes, or I hit no this time, no is 7. So in this case, if I had clicked no, it's just going to exit it. So it's like, I don't want to count the sheets, just end the code right there. But obviously we want to continue, so let's ask it again. We're going to say yes, and we're just going to keep going. The next thing is an input box. So this is a very simple display where you can capture a value input by the user. So in this case, I'm saying, how many sheets do you want to process? So let's say 4. And I hit enter. And then in this case, I'm just looping through until my count gets to be the same as the number that the user entered. So once that gets there, it's going to exit that, and then at the very end it's going to say complete. It's got those carriage returns now, 4 sheets processed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.